to be at home. I read not to be at home. I don't know why I read. I just read. I read as I wear by others. I read because I'm looking for the others. I read because I'm looking for myself. I read because I want to found. I read. I am interested in the past. I read. I am interested in the future. I read. I am interested in the present. I read because I want to learn. I read because I am looking. I read. When I read, I find it.
Papakpak God. Right.